You can analyze an Airbnb property. So put your address here of a property that you want to analyze and put the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. You can also use more granular filter here as well. Once you set up everything, just click the update button. You can also change the currency here. So let me use British pound here. And then the number you see here is the last 12-month revenue of the short-term rentals around this address. You can see the short-term rentals here. And this is the occupancy rate. How many percentage of the available nights are booked in the last 12 months. This is the average nightly rate. You can click the historical trends and you can see the data per month. You can see that like summer was very fully booked time. You can click all history to see a longer history data here as well. And then the second thing you want to do is make sure the data that you're seeing is correct. So in my case, I like the listings in this area, but this one seems to be a little bit too far away from the address. Then click this eyes icon and this will remove the data from the statistics. This looks better. Now you can also see more detailed data by hovering the mouse over and then clicking the view details button here. This is going to show the property statistics. You can see more detailed statistics here. And yes, that's it. Finally, you can click this button here and you can see the listings in a table format. If you want to see more listings, just click add more comps. This will add 30 more comps here. You can use the calculator here as well, although we are currently upgrading this, but this will show you more detailed analysis. You can put the expense details, startup cost, and you can save it as well. So this all feature is available here. So yeah, that's it.